Just another night in California. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Yes, my people. Yes, I don't say the breadfruit tree this year. It's the yellow heart breadfruit. So I picked some breadfruit this morning. Roast some breadfruit and stuff for it. Nothing cannot beat the country life, you know? Real country life. So I get somebody climb a tree this morning and get some breadfruit. Yes, my people. Yes, I don't say the breadfruit tree this year. It's the yellow heart breadfruit. So I picked some breadfruit this morning. Roast some breadfruit and stuff for it. Nothing cannot beat the country life, you know? Real country life. So I get somebody climb a tree this morning and get some breadfruit. Yes, my people, I don't know, say a fiery country lifestyle. I show you roast some breadfruit in Jamaica on a Sunday morning. Anytime at all, know I roast some breadfruit. I know, say a country life I deal with. So everybody don't know, say this is the breadfruit. They call it breadfruit in Jamaica. So you don't know, you have to remove the breadfruit stem. And right in here is the breadfruit heart. So you have to send the knife straight in the middle of the breadfruit. Make it go straight through the heart because we want it to soak properly. See that? We're gonna remove the knife. You have to be very careful, you know. So a hole goes straight through the heart of the breadfruit so it can be properly soaked. We're gonna put an X right here on the breadfruit. So we call this breche in Jamaica. So we're gonna take you to the fireside. We'll roast the breadfruit. We have a few on the fireside right now, soaking and stuff for it. So we're gonna put this one right here. Go and soak same way. So that's how we do it in Jamaica. Real breadfruit life in Jamaica, country life. Nothing cannot beat that. You don't know, say, we want some ackee and saltfish same way, our national dish. You don't know, say, ackee and saltfish. Nothing can be that at Jamaica. People from all about over the country, when they come to Jamaica, they want ackee and saltfish. So, that's so you go. Nothing cannot beat the country life. So right now, it's a Sunday morning. We want some breadfruit and some ackee and saltfish. So we have two types of breadfruit in Jamaica. We have the yellow heart breadfruit and also we have the white heart. The yellow heart is more sweeter than the white heart. Give you a different flavor. It give you a butter look. You know them color there? So we prefer the yellow heart breadfruit. So we have two types of breadfruit in Jamaica. We have the yellow heart breadfruit and the white heart breadfruit. Okay? So that's how we do it in Jamaica. Just like and subscribe to my channel. This is Fireweed. Thank you for watching.